So you want separate audio tracks in OBS, like your microphone and your gameplay sounds, and you want to bring those into DaVinci Resolve. You want to be able to control that audio separately. That's what we're going to do today. Let's start in OBS. Click on the settings, and we're going to do one thing here really quick. I have my speaker set as my desktop audio, which means anything that plays through my speakers will be recorded on that track. And then I have my Blue Yeti microphone set here. On the output tab, under the recording tab, we have tracks 1 and 2 selected. Now I record in MKV, but if you record in MP4, that's fine. Under advanced, under recording, we have automatically remix to MP4. That's just the way I have it set. If you record directly to MP4, that's fine. I'm just showing you the way that I do it. Now, under Advanced Audio Properties down here, if you look on here, I have the desktop audio, which is my Realtek speakers, set to track 1, and my Blue Yeti microphone is set to track 2. I already have an MKV and an MP4 file, and we're going to do this twice, so if you need to see it more than once, well, you get to see it twice. I'm going to drag this down here. We're going to resize some of this stuff so we can see it a little bit better. Not important that we see the video. All right, first thing we're going to do in this blank spot, we're going to add another stereo audio track. And we're going to click on this. You'll see they both highlight. We're going to right click and uncheck link clips. And click outside of that. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to push down left alt, click and drag, and bring the audio down there and let go of both buttons. And if I increase the volume on these so you can see the waveforms a little better, you'll see these are identical tracks. They're both the same. Okay. We're going to select on that second one that we just made. Drag this down so you can see it a little better. And under the file, which will show up by default, we are going to scroll down to audio configuration. It'll be set to 2-channel stereo. We're going to go to custom, and we're going to change the embed channel 1 and embed channel 2, 3, and 4, and click OK. Now what you're going to see, let me drag this back up, is that now we have 2 different audio tracks. I can tell just by the waveforms that the top one is the game audio and the bottom one is my microphone. We'll go ahead and play it. It's probably going to be really loud, but I'll play a little bit of it, muting and unmuting each track, muting the music track. All right, this is me talking. That's me talking, spinning my character, and then having that back on. Tail music in the background. Yep. There we go. All right, so we did that. Now we have brought the MP4 version down into our timeline. Right-click the gray area. We're going to add a stereo track. We're going to select the clips, unlink them again. Click outside, click the bottom track, hold down Alt, click and drag, bring that down, just like we did with the MK4 version. And with this bottom one selected and the File tab and the Inspector selected, we will go down to Audio Configuration, go to Custom, and do the same as before. Change it to 3 and 4. And now you can see, again, this is what we have. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to ask them down below. Try to be as specific as you can so that I can give you a proper answer. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.